How to add bonus shares in ICICIdirect portfolio. Follow these instructions. Log into ICICIdirect with your user ID and password using the website or app on your phone or computer. Go to the Portfolio section from the main menu and choose the Stocks option to view your current holdings. Check if bonus shares are already added. They usually appear in your portfolio within 15 days of record date. Click on the specific stock name to open its details and see if the increased quantity includes the bonus shares. If bonus shares are not shown, go to Advanced Options and select Add New Transaction Manual option. Choose Bonus as the transaction type, then enter bonus date, number of shares, and other required info. Click Save to add the bonus shares and refresh the portfolio to confirm they now appear in your holdings.
Thanks for watching.